how are you? It's Tracey Siciliano with the House to Home team, and we are back in our Eastwood renovation. It's been several weeks since we've been here. Obviously, COVID-19 has turned everyone's world upside down, but luckily we're able to keep this project moving forward a little slower than usual. Some things are not able to get done yet, but there is a lot that actually has been done. So we walked into the home after not being here for a few weeks, and wow, walked into this beautiful room, gorgeous gray paint, and the ceilings are sparkling white, and the trim is white, and it's night and day in this room. So we're so excited, and a lot has also been done to the rest of the first floor. It's very exciting. So why don't you follow me in, and we'll see how we've progressed. So here we are in the family room, and oh my goodness, this room looks huge. As you can see, the walls have also been painted, the trim is being worked on, and I just cannot believe the space in here. We have these beautiful hardwoods, which are really going to pop once the dust is lifted. But one thing, I also wanted to show you, if you tilt up there, you'll see the recessed lighting is now in and just looks so, so beautiful. Jim, I'm gonna change spots with you. I just want to point out over here, if you all remember, I am standing where the wood stove used to be, and there's no more wood stove. And I think even though I was a little nervous, we were nervous about making that decision to ultimately get rid of the wood stove, I think it was a great decision because we have all this extra space here, no more of that pipe in the bathroom, and this room is really going to be a magnificent family room with tons of space, lots of natural lighting, and I'm so excited. Let's go on into the dining room.
So here we are in the dining room, and if you can remember what this dining room looked like before from the previous episodes, it was kind of a mess. We had wallpaper up here, we had the brown paneling down here, and we had a really rough time. On the top part, we weren't sure what we were going to do, but Eric took all the wallpaper down, cleaned everything up, skim coated everything, and oh my gosh, it's so smooth and it looks so beautiful. The paint in here is amazing. We went with a two-tone, I think this is called beach down here, this is a travertine, different types of gray, earth tones. It looks so beautiful. And the trim with the chair rail, I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. The ceilings came out great, the fresh paint. It's a whole new room in here. I absolutely love it. Mm-hmm. Let's take a look at the kitchen.
I can't wait to see the kitchen.
Come on in, take a look at it. There are no lights yet, but oh my goodness. Look at this kitchen. Look at this kitchen. We have the flooring in, the plank flooring in, which is what we discussed.
It's a little dusty right now,
It is
right?
dusty. It'll clean up once we mop it and everything. But the ceiling, oh my goodness. We went with the new sheetrock up there. We have our holes for the recessed lighting that we're going to put in there. And my favorite are these shaker cabinets. Look at these cabinets. These are absolutely gorgeous cabinets. I believe they're all soft close from what I can remember. Look at that, soft close.
Would you like to demonstrate that again?
One more time? Here
Sure.
Soft close.
Let's see.
It's like I'm turning the letters, right? Give it an A.
Thank you, Vanna.
So soft close. We have a new door in here now. We're going to paint this cabinet as well. We're going to paint it white and put all new hardware and everything. But oh my gosh, the travertine in here. We have 3 different light circuits in here. There's going to be two row of recessed here, a separate recessed here, and one over the sink. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Eric does an amazing job. He and his folks do an amazing job. I can't wait to get the countertop in here.
Yes, let's talk about that.
The countertop is it's going to be a granite countertop. We're going to put a backsplash on. But our problem is because of COVID-19, the manufacturer is shut down right now. We picked out our piece of granite.
And it's gorgeous.
We're so excited. Gorgeous. We just can't get it. So I have a feeling that's going to be the last thing we do in this house is get the countertop and the backsplash.
And then the backsplash, yep.
But until then, this is going to hold me long enough to keep moving. So I'm so excited about this kitchen. I cannot wait for someone
I'm going to do one more spin.
to walk into this place and look how gorgeous it is.
Yay.
Love it.
Love.
All right, so tell you what. We saw the whole first floor. Let's go see the second floor, and then we'll check out the basement. What are your
That
thoughts?
sounds good.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Come on.
Are you ready to see the bathroom? I am. Come on in. Take a look where we're at right now. Ta-da!
Oh wow, look at that tile.
Yeah, so we have, the tub is in, it's a nice deep tub. I think we have this tub in our own home.
Yeah, we do.
So we love
do.
this tub, it's a nice deep tub. The tile is now on, part of it. We have little trim that is going to be put on that is not...
You mean like an accent piece?
Yes. Not a trim, sorry. An accent piece will be going around the entire wall through the walls here. We have our toilet in, we have new flooring, and we have this beautiful vanity. It doesn't look so beautiful right now because it's covered in dust, but I love it.
Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous. We also have a cabinet that's going in here too.
Yes.
Where is that? Is that in the other room?
It's in one of the bedrooms, and if you want to swing over here, if you remember back in the first videos that we did, if you remember, there was that big pipe that was from the wood stove that is no longer here. So look at all of this space, perfect spot to put a storage cabinet. And again, I'm so glad we made that decision. I think it was a really, really good decision to remove that. I also wanted to show you the flooring. We did end up with a vinyl planking, and again, we explained the reason behind that in the last couple of videos. And again, this bathroom is really, really coming together. It's going to be beautiful. So we're so excited.
Let's go look at that cabinet.
Oh, okay. Let me show you the cabinet.
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Okay, the cabinet is in this bedroom.
That's not where it's staying. Oh, look at that.
Yep. So we have this really pretty cabinet that is going to go in the bathroom where that pipe once was. I think this is a lot prettier than the pipe.
Oh, I love it.
So
we should get this for our house.
Yeah, this is really fun. So again, things are really coming along. We have one more space to show you. I haven't even seen it yet since it's been done, but let's go down to the basement.
Sounds good, babe.
All right. So we are here in the not so spooky basement anymore. I'd like to introduce you to two of my newest friends, and that would be the new furnace and air conditioning. I love this friend. And we also have a brand new hot water heater. There's the old hot water heater.
What are we gonna do with that old hot water heater?
We're actually repurposing this because this was actually pretty new, so we're gonna repurpose this and put this into our apartment building. So we're not throwing it away, we are reusing it. In addition, almost the entire basement has been professionally parged, and I know it's kind of hard to see with the lighting right now, but it looks unbelievably better. What a transformation. You can actually use this basement now for storage. The laundry area is not scary anymore, and the once scary basement really is just going to be a cool place to store things. There's the workshop over there, and I just cannot believe what a difference it has been since I've last been here. So let's go look over at the other section of the basement.
So here we are on the other side of the basement, and I don't know, I'm sure you can remember from the other videos, this was filled with garbage. All the garbage is out. It's an actually usable space now. The walls are parged. It looks absolutely beautiful. But one of my favorite things here is the new breaker box.
Ooh.
We had a fuse box here before.
That's right.
That's old school. So we went to upgrade it. It's breaker boxes with the all new upgraded electric, and it was done by our good friend Freddie, who's an electrician, a licensed electrician, and he did an amazing job here. So thank you, Freddie. But go over, Tracey, just pan over here to the workshop. Do we remember when all the treasures out of here? Check out this workshop.
Look at that.
We still left 2 workbenches for anybody who wants to work down here. We left some shelving units over here, but we actually have a usable space here that's not filled with garbage anymore.
That's amazing,
it really
Jim.
is. So we all need a place to work when we own a home. So here we go. We're gonna make this the most perfect place for this home for someone to work down here. And I just cannot wait to finish this project. It's been a lot slower than we thought. We thought we'd probably be done in April, but now it looks like it's going to be done probably towards the end of May, and it really depends on what the governor lets us do or what he doesn't let us do regarding the virus. But hang in there, guys. We're hanging in there. We ask you hang in there, and let's just bring this thing to a close. Let's get this house beautiful and finished, and in the next video, hopefully, will be the finished product. We don't know.
Or not.
Or we have to do the outside too. So we'll do a video on the outside, then we'll do the finished product.
Yes, there will be more.
So, anyway, thanks for following us. Hang in there. If you need anything, give us a call. We're here for you. Have a great day.